Hi everyone. These sums from the chapter Statistics, exercise 14.4, first problem. The following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Daily income in rupees, number of workers, class intervals and frequency. Convert the distribution about to a less than type cumulative frequency. Less than type cumulative frequency distribution and draw its ogive. Cumulative frequency less than cumulative frequency greater than cumulative frequency. See, to solve this exercise, class intervals, next to frequency 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. These are the frequencies for a given class intervals. Less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. Two types of frequencies. Less than cumulative frequency, first class interval frequency as it is, then second class interval frequency, say 250 to 300, 300 to 350, up to 350, 14 plus 12. 12 plus 14 is equal to 10, 20, 26. Next 26 plus this number 8, 34. 34 plus 6, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Adding next consecutive number, then we will get less than cumulative frequency. 12, 26, 34, 40, 50. These are the less than cumulative frequency. Next, greater than cumulative frequency. Add all the observations. 4, 6, 14, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is summation of Fi is equal to 50. Now write for first class interval, greater than cumulative frequency is 50. Second one, 50 minus 14. This is 50 minus 12. 50 minus 12, 42, 38. 38 minus 14. 8, 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, 24. 24 minus 8. 4, 4, 16. 16 minus 6, 10. So this last number is equal to, last frequency is equal to greater than cumulative frequency. 50, 38, 24, 16, 10. These are greater than cumulative frequency. These are less than cumulative frequencies. This one is frequency. Using frequency, we can write less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. Adding next frequency number to get less than cumulative frequency. Subtract the before frequency number from sum of all observation is greater than cumulative frequency. Understood? In this problem, draw less than type cumulative frequency. Less than type cumulative frequency, you take upper boundaries or upper limit for exclusive class intervals. If greater than cumulative frequency, use lower boundaries. Here less than type cumulative frequency, so take upper boundaries. Upper boundaries 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. Less than cumulative frequency, first number 12 as it is, second number up to 350, 12 plus 14, 26, 12, 14, 8 means 26 plus 8, 34, 34 plus 6, 40, 40 plus this number 10, 50. These numbers are less than cumulative frequency. Then scale. Now on x-axis, on y-axis, on x-axis you take this class interval means upper limit. On y-axis you take less than cumulative frequency. Look this graph paper. Okay. First, to draw a graph, some parts needed to draw a graph. That is, you must write the scale, question number, then x-axis, y-axis, intersection point origin is O. Here on x-axis, always write for less than cumulative frequency upper limit, greater than cumulative frequency lower limit. Opposite, greater than frequency lower limit less than frequency upper limits. So here asked to draw less than cumulative frequency from down to up. Use upper limits. Upper limits, what are the upper limits? 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, like this. So write 0 to 50, 100, 150, 200. Take 1 unit as 50 numbers. That is the scale. On scale, x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 15 units. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. On y-axis, here less than cumulative frequency. Okay. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. First one. Upper limit 300, 12. Where is 300? Here 300, 12. On y-axis 5, 10, 15. Where is 12? Here approximately 12. Next 350, 26. 350, 25, 26. Okay. Next 400, 34. 400, 30, 35, 34. Next 1, 2, 3. Next 450. 450, 40. 450, 40. Next 550. 500 on x-axis. On y-axis 50. Now somebody to intersect this dot, they used scale, but curves don't use scale. Draw with your hand as curve to intersect all these points from the first class interval less than cumulative frequency to last class interval less than cumulative frequency. You draw curve with your hand. Okay. With this problem is completed. First problem. Now second problem. This is the second problem. During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows. Some students medical records weight 35 students as given number of students 0, 3, 5. Frequency this is. No. This is not a frequency because of less than 38 0 students. Less than 40 weight of students, those having their weight 0 to 40 less is 3 students. Less than 40 to 5 students. These 5 students also included these 3 students. This is the less than cumulative frequency, not frequency. Understood? Draw a less than type ogive for the given data. Hence obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. First find median using the graph, then same data find by simplification method and check both answers. Okay. Now weight in kgs, number of students less than 38. How many students are there? 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 50, 35. These numbers given in the problem, all these are less than cumulative frequency. With this data, I written here frequency. Less than 38, how many students? 0. Less than 40, 3 students. Less than 42, already 3 students are there. Given here up to 42, 5 students. So subtract these 3, 2 students. Less than 44, 9 minus 5, 4. 14 minus 9, 5. 28, 14, 14. 32, 28, 4. 35, 32, 3. This is a frequency. Now this one is greater than cumulative frequency. For our understanding sake, I have written with this data. First sum of observations, this sum of observations 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. Total 35. 35 minus 0, 35. 35 minus 3, 32. 32 minus 5, 32 minus 5. 35 minus 0, 35, 35 minus 3, 32, 32 minus 5, here 27. Observe, 35 minus 0, 35, 35 minus 3, 32, 32 minus 5, 27, 27 minus 9. Oh, sorry. You subtract these frequencies, 35 minus 0, 35, 35 minus 3, 32, 32 minus 2, correct, it's before, correct, 32 minus 2, 30, 30 minus 4, 26, 26 minus 5, 21, 21 minus 14, 7, 7 minus 4, 3. This data before correct, okay, understood. This is the cumulative frequency, this is the frequency, this is the greater than cumulative frequency. In this problem asked to draw less than type ogive. Now see second problem, less than type ogive curve. Less than type ogive curve से on x axis upper limits, on y axis less than cumulative frequency. So use this table. First, less than 38, upper limit 38. How many students use less than cumulative? 0. 38, 0. Okay. Next, less than 40, 3 members. Less than 40 on x axis 40, 3 members here. Next, less than 42, 1, 2. Less than 42, how many members? 5 members. 5. Next, less than 44, 9 members. 45. Less than 46, 44, 9 members. 44, 9 members. Next, less than 46, 14 members. 46, 14 members. Less than 48, 28 members. 48, 20. Less than 48, 28 members. 48, here 28 members. Less than 50, 32 members. Less than 50, 32 members. Okay. Less than 52, 3 members. Less than 52, how many members? 3 members. No, less than 52, 35 members. Less than 52, 35 members. 52, 35 members. Okay. Just I located the points. Using your hand, you draw ogive curve. Don't use scale. With your hand say draw this curve. Now next one is, how many students are there total? 35 students. 35 number mid value is 35 by 2, 17.5. Take this 17.5 on y axis. Here 16, here 18, midpoint is 17. 17 to 18 midpoint is 17.5. From this point you draw a perpendicular line or you draw a parallel line to x axis. You draw one parallel line to x axis. That line intersect to previous arc. Okay. After that, with this point you draw one more perpendicular line on x axis. This point located point is called median of this data. One more time. Sum of frequency is 35. Half of that mid value of frequency 17.5. On y axis you draw a perpendicular line, or on y axis at point 17.5 you draw a parallel line to x axis. You draw to intersect previous arc. This parallel line and before curve line intersecting point is called median of this data. This is one method to find the median. Another method is using frequency you write less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. First you draw less than cumulative frequency ogive, then you draw greater than cumulative frequency ogive. Where these two ogives are intersecting, that is the median of that data. Okay, clear? After this, with formula simplification, median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. N is equal to 35, total observations 35, N by 2 17.5, F is equal to, how we can know F value? One more time recall. Cumulative frequency less than 38, how many students? 0. 38 to 43, before we did 40 to 42, 5, 42 44 9, like we located before frequency. Okay, using this frequency we can write less than cumulative frequency, we can write greater than cumulative frequency. Both I written here. This is frequency, less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency, for our understanding sake. Now which is the median class? How we can write, how we can find median class? Total 35, midpoint is 17.5. Where, in which class interval 17.5 contains? Check here, 0 not, 3 not, 5 not, 9 not, 14 not, 28. After 14, before 28, 17.5 located. So this class interval is median class. This 28 class interval is median class. This class interval frequency is 14. This class interval preceding class interval cumulative frequency is 14. So F is equal to 14, CF is equal to 14. Height of the class interval, upper limit of first class interval, upper limit of second class interval, or any class 2 intervals limits difference is 2. H is equal to 2. Substitute this all values. L value 46 plus N by 2, we did 17.5, cumulative frequency 14, frequency 14 into H 2. Next 46 plus 17.5 minus 14, 3.5 by 14 into 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 7 are 14. 3.5 by 7 means 0.5. Now 46 plus 0.5 is equal to 46.5. Median is equal to 46.5. Before in the graph also, this parallel line and this curved line, these two lines are intersecting nearly approximately 46.5 point. Okay, with that second problem also completed. Now third problem. The following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Class intervals, number of farmers means frequency. Change the distribution to more than type distribution and draw its ogive. More than type means greater than cumulative frequency. More than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency, both are same. Given in this problem, frequency 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 16. These are the frequencies. More than cumulative frequency, first you add all the sum of observations, get 100. Right? First class interval, greater than cumulative frequency, 100. 100 frequency 2. Second class interval, 100 minus 2, 98. 98 minus 8, 90. 90 minus 12, 78. This type we can find greater than cumulative frequency numbers. Now to draw any graph, you must write what is the scale of that graph, original length how much, and the length of graph how much. That is very very important. For that sake, on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units, on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. On x-axis lower limits, because of here going to draw more than type opposite lower, greater than type opposite upper. So here more Line means take lower boundary. Understood? On y-axis, greater than cumulative frequency numbers are more than cumulative frequency number. These both are same. Now third one. Write the question number. Question number 3. Scale on x-axis. This one box means length, height or length, breadth. One set square. These are 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Greater than cumulative frequency, greater than OGO, from up number to down number. So take lower limits. Here greater than cumulative frequency numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. How many numbers we can take on x-axis, on y-axis means you use this number. More than or equal to 50. What is the biggest number? 75. So up to 80, 90 you can take. Here greater than cumulative frequency biggest number is 100. So you take up to 100. Okay. Now first one, greater than cumulative frequency 100 and more than or equal to 50. 50 equal to 100. On x axis 50, on y axis 100. Next, more than or equal to 55, 98. 50, 55. Here 55, 98. Next to 60, more than or equal to 60, 90. 60 on x-axis, 90 on y-axis. Next, more than or equal to 65, 78. 65, 78. Next to 70, 54. 70, 54. Next to 75, 16. 75, 16. From big number to small number you draw ogive curve with your hand, not with your scale. With this we completed third problem also. To draw or to solve exercise 14.4, you are needed to understand frequency, greater than cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency, scale, x-axis, y-axis, lower boundaries, upper boundaries. To draw more than ogive curve, use lower limits. To draw less than cumulative frequency or less than ogive curve, you use upper boundaries. Okay. Thank you so much. Watch my full video and subscribe my channel. Share to your family and friends. Thank you so much.